Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare Warzone out of memory and page file error. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Settings under Performance. Click Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, Paging file size for each drive. Select Game Installation Drive. Fill initial size is 15,000. Fill maximum size is 15,000. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.